Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome if you're returning, and thank you for coming back. So today I'm gonna be doing eyebrow tutorial. It was a requested video and I'm so happy to do that. Forget about all this look. I'm about to actually go out for a party and they request me to do my makeup like this. So honey, if you wanna know how I did my eyebrows, how I slay my eyebrows, honey, keep watching. So you're gonna need I'm Mira. I'm on vacation, so I don't have my like big mirror. So I need a little mirror to be looking down. I also need a spray to spray my makeup brushes. I need a brow brush, concealer brush, and also I'm gonna need a blending brush. Not forgetting that concealer. This is MAC. It's in a color NC 50. So I have eyebrow pencil and this is brown. You don't want to ever use black on your eyebrow because it's gonna really look fake. So I'll be using the brown. And yeah, we're gonna jump into right away. So I'm just gonna go in with the brow brush and brush my eyebrow upward. Brows are not sisters. Even if they're sisters, honey, it's still gonna be different. You can't have like a perfect brow. Your brows cannot like be the same. One is always gonna look a little bit different from the other because we are not perfect, so we don't expect brows to be perfect. So yeah, gonna brush that up. Gonna go in now with my eyebrow pencil brown and just filling. Blend in. I'm not gonna blend the tip of my eyebrow because I want it to look natural. I'm going for a natural look, so yep, I'm gonna leave that there. This eyebrow over here is thicker than this eyebrow. This eyebrow is really light, like really light. Sometimes I feel that it's really ugly. Sometimes I struggle too with this eyebrow, with this one in particular, because sometimes it gives me really ugly shapes and I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in. Very good. Since this eyebrow is a little bit lighter, I'm just gonna do it just a little light strokes of eyebrow pencil so that it can look a little bit fuller. Now get the brush again and blend in. Blend this side too. As I am blending, I'm brushing it upward, so take note of that. Alright, now I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and get my concealer to clean it up. It's always good to know the shape of your face when you're shaping your eyebrows. I have a kind of like a broad and a little bit straight face, so I really know how to shape my brows. I always like my brows to be upward, so that's gonna bring out my face. Apply the concealer. A little bit closer. Alright, I'm gonna blend this concealer here because I don't want a lot of it under my brows, so blend this ones here. Then I will go again under my brows and try to create the shape that I want. Follow your brow shape. I'm gonna go opposite side of the brush and go back. there, make it look smooth and straight as possible I can get. Yep, I think I got the shape that I wanted. I'm gonna leave that to set and I'm gonna go ahead again. And just go under your brow line, just follow your brow shape. I'm gonna switch side. Just follow my brow line. Yeah. Yeah, I let this sit like for probably 2 minutes before I go in again and blend. I'm not gonna add no concealer at the top of my brow. I'm just gonna use the one at the bottom to shape the top part of my brows. Just go in there, very light. And if I think that I don't have the right shape, I'll go back in and try to like blend it in a little bit. And yeah, that's my brow. I'm gonna go to the next brow now. Get some concealer on the brush. And do the same for this brow too. Okay, so that is that for that one right there. I'm gonna go ahead now and try to like clean the front part of my brows. Just apply concealer to it. Okay, now it's time for blending. I'm gonna get this blending brush and spray it. Start at the top, just blend. After this, I'm just gonna wear my makeup because I have to go out. So that's why I have putting it on my eyelid. Here, I'm gonna go back with this brush right here and go ahead and brush the front part of my brows. So yes guys, this is how I do my natural brows. I normally have a brow powder too, but I don't have it here, so I decided to go with a eyebrow pencil. I hope you like this video, and I hope this video helps you to do your eyebrows. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell because that's the only way you get notified when I post my videos. Comment down below, share this video, and I will see you in my next one, guys. Bye. Brown skin girl, skin feels like pearl, the best in the world. I can't treat you for nobody else singing.